Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel as Manfi Solution. So today I'll be showing you guys how I fix Itel p40 plus. So as you can see, I've already removed the old screen. So stay with me as I take you through this process.
City lights shine through my window blind. Memories flood with shades of blue. Moonlight paints my empty room so bright as I sit here all alone with you in mind. Nights like these bring thoughts of you. Jazz notes float through midnight air. Words unspoken hang between the stars as moonbeams guide my silent prayer. Moonlight and blue, casting shadows of you, notes falling like teardrops on ivory keys so true. Melodies speak what words can't do. In this moonlight in blue. Coffee's cold, forgotten on the shelf. Smoke trails dance in patterns through the air. Old vinyl spins our favorite tune. Time stands still when I think of us in that cafe where rain kissed the window pane. Moonlight in blue, casting shadows of you, notes falling like teardrops on ivory keys so true. Melodies speak what words can't do. In this moonlight in blue. Streets below are quiet as the dawn. Night surrenders to another day. But I remain in yesterday, where your voice still whispers in my ear and your smile still lingers in this room. Moonlight in blue, casting shadows of you, notes falling like teardrops on ivory keys so true. Melodies speak what words can't.